Mike. What, Mr. Mackin? What you doing? What are you doing with the duct tape?
Well,
going on here?
November is National Repair Your Binder Month.
November is?
Yeah,
Okay.
and my binder is, it's getting cracked and stuff, so I'm just gonna tape it up here and we're gonna
No,
fix it.
hold on just a minute. I have a couple questions. Well, parent-teacher conferences are in November, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna want this looking good for your parents if they come check on you like it. That was embarrassing last year when they came. I'm just gonna tell you right now. Can I ask you a question though?
Yeah.
Have you used this for other things like
No, I took
pillow
all, no,
or?
I took all the papers out because
Oh.
I was getting ready to fix it.
Okay.
Yeah, cause it's, see how it's torn up there, you know?
Do you think it'd be easier to fix if it's empty? I think so. But choice of
So
color.
here, I just-
No. Let's stop a minute. Here, I don't understand this. You have a nice shirt, a nice tie. You're a classy guy, and you're going to use gray. Let's talk about some other colors that we might want to explore together. But first of all,
I just wanna repair.
No, you need to do better listening. What's this? Is this one of these fancy pocket ones?
No, it's the,
Yeah, Mike.
what are you doing?
Well, you don't need this thing. It's just a bunch of nonsense. And it gets in the way and it falls apart. And people poke stuff in it and things grow in it.
So before I duct tape it, I should take that all off?
Yeah, I think we could get that off. Look how long it took me. We don't even need that stuff. Okay, now, hold on there. Could I see this? Let's talk about the gray together. Okay, here's what I want to do with you today. I want you to explore colors and patterns. How were you going to put the duct tape on? Were you going to go like this or what? Show me what you were going to do.
Well, no, I was gonna take it, start here a little bit on the edge so it covers the edge.
Yes.
And then go all the way across, and then maybe kind of like.
I liked everything until the end, so let's try that. Why don't you do, here, what color do you want to start with?
Well, I don't know. Who cares? I mean, it doesn't matter.
Okay, let me just try this.
I want to use the gray.
So what school district do you work in now? Because I've heard you get confused about that sometimes. You think you're in North St. Paul.
Centennial School District.
Okay, and it's not Cowering Elementary, it's Centennial Middle School? Okay, so are you saying something like this?
Ooh, yeah.
See how I took my time with that though?
Okay.
Okay, then show me that opening part. That was a good trick.
Well, I was thinking like wrap around the edge like that.
Should I just keep going around?
Oh, I like that.
It's like a machine. I could even have a friend help me, couldn't I?
Oh, so, yeah. See, now look at it. It won't fall apart anymore.
Nice. Okay, watch this. All right. I had a lot of coffee this morning, so I have the shakes, but other than that, I think we're doing okay here. All right, finish it up.
So then what I did it. Now what?
Okay, so I would repeat that. I would go, what's another color you like, Mike? You could go like this.
I like the blue kind of.
Okay, so blue, and then you could go green, and then repeat. Black,
Oh,
blue,
so like
green.
do the whole thing so it's all duct tape?
Why not? In case there's a third world war, we have to protect ourselves. Or in case your sister chews on it, or in case, I don't know what else could happen to these things. It's a little weird. But hold on. There's a whole lot of stuff to explore here. So you get this thing squared away. You're feeling good about your binder again.
Yeah.
Oh, but there's a lot of cool stuff that, like, your girlfriend, or Mrs. Mackin, actually your wife in your case, because you're old and you don't have a girlfriend, you have a wife.
Yeah.
You know, you look really cool if you could make like a pocket protector for the inside and a place to hold your calculator and
With duct tape?
Kleenex and eye drops and glasses and pens.
No, that ain't.
Oh, I got really excited there for a second.
But I am gonna have my binder repaired for Binder Repair Month in November.
I'm so excited about that. We'll be checking. And
Thanks, Mr. Stevens.
oh, I'm glad I could help you as usual, Mr. Mackin. Students, don't forget, tickets equals possible free pizza. We're gonna do random binder checks all through November. Do a better job than Mr. Mackin did. Have a great day.